Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't posted here in a while, but I'm back like a bad penny.
Well, I mean, I guess if that bad penny was full of positivity and optimism, then you can call me a bad penny. Anyway.
In today's video, I am going to share with you five ways that you can stay organized. We are all trying to stay organized in this big, busy world, and for me, staying organized means peace of mind. I tend to get really anxious, and I seem to not be able to get anything done when my life isn't put in order. And it's not about perfection, it's just about maintaining things so that it helps you in the future. I am all about helping my future self. So if I'm on the way home and I need gas, but I'm kind of lazy and I don't really want to get gas, I think to myself, is this going to help me tomorrow? Because I have absolutely no idea what tomorrow is going to bring. I don't know if I'm going to feel well tomorrow. I don't know if I'm going to miss my alarm. I don't know any of that stuff. So can I prepare for the future? These 5 tips will hopefully help you become more organized, less stressed, free lifestyle. Bing. Number 1, get rid of things that you don't wear. Go into your closet right now. No, go ahead. Oh, wait. Oh, are you there? Okay. I want you to find things that are stained, that are broken, that are ripped, that don't fit you. Are there things in your closet that have still tags on it? Get rid of those. Those things do not serve you purpose. This isn't just clothes. This can be anything that's in your life. If you have not made a priority to have those things fixed, then they really aren't a part of your life. You have now at this point decided that they're no longer a part of your life and you could not live without it. I promise you, you would have gone and got that fixed. That would have become a priority for you. But if it's still sitting in that drawer, in that closet, on the kitchen table, and it has been a period of time, then you clearly have lived without it. So, bye-bye. And oh, real life. This is real life, people. This watch. See this watch right here? I am going to real life get rid of this. This is the only watch I own other than my Apple Watch. And and this was just a cheap watch from Target, okay? But I love it, it's big, it's great. I have replaced the battery on this thing probably 3 times and it still doesn't work. So I'm gonna get rid of it today. It's going to go in the garbage today. Say goodbye. You only need to organize the things that you truly use. If you don't use them, then why are they a part of your organization? Number 2, everything should have a home and everything should be in its place. Assign specific areas for all your possessions. This will help keep your area, your living space, your office tidy. We all have the junk drawer. When you think about it, I mean, okay, if you look at my junk drawer, it's not really a junk drawer. There's not junk in there. There are specific things that don't really serve a purpose in anywhere else in my home. And so I find one drawer that those little tiny knick-knacky things can live. Super glue, safety pins, batteries. Like, there's not really a place in my home other than that one drawer where I can keep them. So I just keep them all in one drawer. It's not really a junk drawer. We call it a junk drawer because that's kind of what we've always called it, but they are still very intentional things that are in that drawer. If you truly have junk in there,
you need to work on that, sister. Or brother.
Number 3, think about your routine. Think about how you live your life. If you think about your routine, then you can organize your things that suit your life. Everybody's life is different. Everybody's. So when I come in, I don't want a bowl on my front foyer table. There's a lot of people who like to put their keys in there. I don't need that. I don't need a key hook. Now, we do have a key hook because they are practical for my husband. You have to think about your life and what suits you guys best. It's your life. You have to be able to manage it and you have to be able to run it. Number 4, batch like items together. If I have email, if I have cleaning, if I need to vacuum, if I need to, do my budgeting, if I need to do all of these things, I do them all at once. So instead of breaking up your day and saying, okay, well, I'm going to do emails in the morning and then I'm going to do emails in the evening. No, sit down in the morning, do your emails and be done with it for the rest of the day. Just checking one of those things off, does that not make you feel good? Does that not make you feel like you accomplished something and you can give it all of your attention? And that's really the important thing, is making sure that you're giving the attention that it needs and that you're not worrying about everything else. All I'm worrying about right now is emailing. All I'm doing right now is I'm worrying about cleaning. So I'm going to get that done. I'm going to look at the rest of my list and see what that entails. Number 5, keep a notepad handy. I call it a brain dump. So when I am through the day, when I'm doing things like that, these little things just kind of go bloop, like I'll be having a conversation and all of a sudden, and this is real life, people, we've talked about real life, I just remember that I need to pick up my prescription. Thoughts come to us every day. We can't really solicit them. They just kind of happen to us. So
If you have
if you have a pad and pen handy, or I keep my notes app on my phone open. Now, I use my notes, I'll use a piece of paper, I'll use anything that I have handy, and then I'll transfer it into whatever works for me. When I have a thought, I grab it, I write it down, and then I don't have to worry about it because it's written down. So now that it's written down, it's one less thing I have to worry about. Yeah, I still have to get it done, but it's one less thing I have to worry about. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below. If you guys have any tips that help you stay organized, oh my gosh, I would love to hear your tips about how you guys stay organized. Catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Okay, behind the scenes, I am actually going to throw this watch away. Watch. Boom.